I'm Heather, an award winning interior and exterior designer with 14 years of experience. Today, I'll share some breathtaking walk in shower ideas, highlighting the design choices and practical features that make these showers both beautiful and functional. Let's dive in. This walk in shower design exemplifies elegance and functionality in a compact space. I particularly appreciate the use of large, neutral tone tiles that create a seamless and spacious feel, even in a smaller bathroom. The glass partition is a brilliant choice, offering an open and airy atmosphere while keeping the water contained within the shower area. The matte black rain shower head and controls add a touch of modern sophistication, contrasting beautifully with the light tiles. The built-in niche for toiletries is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, eliminating the need for external storage solutions that can clutter the space. One aspect I would consider enhancing is the floor gradient to ensure efficient drainage, as the current flat appearance may lead to water pooling. Additionally, incorporating more greenery or natural elements, like the small potted plants seen here, can further soften the sleek lines and add a touch of warmth to the overall design. Overall, this walk-in shower is a fantastic design choice for its blend of style and practicality, making it a perfect addition to any modern bathroom. This bathroom design is a delightful blend of vintage charm and modern luxury. The white subway tiles create a clean, timeless look that is both elegant and versatile. I love how the patterned floor tiles add a touch of character and contrast, making the space feel unique and inviting. The freestanding bathtub is a standout feature, perfect for relaxation. The addition of a wooden bath tray stocked with essentials like a book, candle, and bath products enhances the spa-like experience. The wall-mounted faucet is a practical choice, allowing for more space around the tub. The walk-in shower, with its pebble floor and continuation of the subway tiles, complements the overall design while providing a functional, easy-to-maintain space. I would add a small stool or a shelf in the shower for convenience. One improvement I'd consider is enhancing the lighting to create a warmer, more ambient atmosphere, perhaps with some recessed lights or a dimmable chandelier. Overall, this bathroom strikes a perfect balance between style and practicality, making it an inviting retreat. This walk-in shower design exudes a modern, minimalist aesthetic that I find incredibly appealing. The use of large, textured gray tiles creates a cohesive and sophisticated look, giving the bathroom a spa-like quality. The floor-to-ceiling tiles enhance the sense of space, making the room feel larger and more open. I particularly love the sleek glass partition, which maintains the open feel while effectively containing the water. The rainfall shower head is a luxurious touch, offering a soothing and immersive shower experience. The floating vanity with a vessel sink adds to the contemporary vibe, and the trailing greenery introduces a refreshing, natural element that softens the overall design. One improvement I would suggest is the addition of a recessed shower shelf for storing toiletries, which would keep the space clutter-free and enhance functionality. Also, incorporating some warmer lighting could create a more inviting atmosphere. Overall, this design perfectly balances style and practicality, making it an excellent choice for a modern bathroom. This walk-in shower design is a fantastic example of combining simplicity with elegance. The vertical white tiles elongate the room, creating a sense of height and spaciousness. I appreciate the subtle grid pattern, which adds texture without overwhelming the space. The inclusion of a built-in niche is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, offering a sleek storage solution for shower essentials. The glass enclosure keeps the area open and light, making the bathroom feel larger and more inviting. The overhead rain shower head paired with a handheld shower provides versatility and a luxurious bathing experience. The minimalistic floating sink with its clean lines complements the overall modern aesthetic and makes the space feel uncluttered. One change I would suggest is adding some accent tiles or a feature wall to introduce a bit of color or pattern, creating a focal point and adding warmth to the room. Additionally, integrating a small bench or a corner stool within the shower could enhance functionality and comfort. Overall, this design is a perfect blend of form and function, making it an ideal choice for a modern, stylish bathroom. This bathroom design beautifully marries vintage charm with modern functionality. The standout feature for me is the striking patterned floor tiles, which bring a bold and dynamic element to the space. They contrast wonderfully with the white subway tiles, creating a visually appealing backdrop. I love the incorporation of greenery, adding a refreshing touch of nature that livens up the space. The small plants on the floating shelf and the built-in niche enhance the room's vibrancy. The use of a glass partition for the walk-in shower keeps the room open and airy, ensuring the design feels spacious and inviting. The freestanding vanity with a vessel sink and matte black fixtures adds a contemporary flair, while the pink cabinet injects a playful and unique character. The pendant light and mirror with a black frame tie the look together, offering a cohesive and stylish aesthetic. One improvement I would consider is adding a heated towel rail or a small storage unit within the shower area for convenience. Overall, this bathroom is a fantastic blend of style, practicality, and personality, making it a delightful retreat. This bathroom design is a perfect example of maximizing a narrow space while maintaining style and functionality. The freestanding bathtub is an excellent choice, offering a luxurious soaking experience and a charming focal point. I love the addition of the playful rubber duck, which adds a touch of whimsy. The walk-in shower features classic white subway tiles that give a timeless and clean look. The glass door helps to keep the space feeling open and airy. The rainfall shower head is a luxurious touch, ensuring a relaxing and spa-like experience. The use of natural elements, such as the potted plants and dried pampas grass, adds warmth and a touch of nature to the room. The wooden floor tiles complement these elements beautifully, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. One improvement I would consider is adding a small bench or stool within the shower for convenience. Additionally, incorporating a few more storage solutions, such as shelves or baskets, could enhance functionality without sacrificing style. Overall, this design makes excellent use of space, blending modern and natural elements to create a serene and stylish bathroom. This bathroom design is a masterclass in combining elegance with functionality. The freestanding bathtub is a beautiful centerpiece, offering a serene space for relaxation. I love the incorporation of a padded headrest, enhancing comfort and making long soaks even more enjoyable. The walk-in shower features a partial wall that provides a sense of separation without enclosing the space, maintaining an open and airy feel. The light beige tiles create a calm, neutral backdrop, which is both timeless and versatile. The built-in niches for toiletries are a smart, practical feature, keeping everything within easy reach and maintaining a clutter-free shower area. The patterned floor tiles add a touch of character and visual interest, bridging the gap between classic and contemporary styles. One aspect I might enhance is the lighting, perhaps adding a few strategically placed fixtures to highlight key features and create a warmer ambiance. Overall, this design perfectly balances luxury and practicality, making it an ideal choice for a sophisticated and functional bathroom retreat. This bathroom design beautifully combines vintage elegance with modern functionality. The standout feature for me is the charming clawfoot bathtub, which adds a touch of classic sophistication. The delicate detailing on the feet and the nearby floral arrangement enhance this vintage aesthetic, making the bathtub a true focal point. The walk-in shower, enclosed with a sleek glass partition, maintains an open and airy feel while providing a practical, enclosed space for showering. The white subway tiles in the shower area create a clean, timeless look that contrasts nicely with the gray walls, adding depth to the design. The vintage-style shower fixtures blend seamlessly with the overall theme, providing a cohesive look. I particularly love the use of floating shelves adorned with plants and decorative items, which add personality and warmth to the space. One improvement I would consider is incorporating a small bench or stool inside the shower for added convenience. Overall, this design strikes a perfect balance between old-world charm and modern practicality, creating a serene and inviting bathroom retreat. This bathroom design is a stunning example of minimalism and natural elegance. The large, frameless glass partition for the walk-in shower creates a seamless and open feel, allowing the beautiful cement wall finish to be the star. I love how the matte black fixtures contrast with the soft gray tones, adding a modern edge to the space. The use of natural materials is one of my favorite aspects of this design. The wooden ladder for towels and the vintage wooden vanity bring warmth and a rustic charm that balances the contemporary elements. The addition of various potted plants not only enhances the aesthetic, but also adds a touch of tranquility and freshness to the room. One improvement I would consider is adding a built-in niche in the shower area for convenience and to keep toiletries neatly organized. Additionally, incorporating a few more storage solutions, like baskets or wall-mounted shelves, could further enhance the functionality. Overall, this design beautifully merges simplicity, natural elements, and modern touches, creating a serene and stylish bathroom that feels both inviting and sophisticated. This bathroom design is a brilliant example of maximizing space with a clean, modern aesthetic. The hexagonal tiles in the walk-in shower are a standout feature, adding texture and visual interest without overwhelming the space. I love how the subtle pattern creates a contemporary yet timeless look. The frameless glass shower screen keeps the area open and bright, enhancing the sense of space. The overhead rainfall shower head, paired with a handheld option, offers versatility and a luxurious bathing experience. The small built-in corner shelf is a clever touch, providing a practical spot for toiletries without taking up much space. The integrated shelving next to the toilet is a smart storage solution, making use of every available inch and keeping essentials within easy reach. The overall white palette, complemented by the natural light from the window, makes the bathroom feel airy and spacious. One improvement I might suggest is adding a splash of color or some decorative elements, such as a plant or a colorful towel, to bring a bit more personality to the space. Overall, this design is highly functional and stylish, perfect for a small bathroom. This bathroom design is a stunning blend of rustic and contemporary elements. The exposed brick wall in the walk-in shower immediately catches my eye, adding a textured, industrial charm to the space. I love how the dark tones of the bricks contrast with the bright, clean lines of the rest of the bathroom, creating a dramatic focal point. The frameless glass shower screen ensures the space feels open and unobstructed, allowing the unique brick wall to stand out. The rainfall showerhead adds a luxurious touch, promising a relaxing and immersive shower experience. The angled ceiling and skylight bring in natural light, enhancing the sense of space and providing a beautiful contrast to the darker shower area. The freestanding bathtub, positioned next to a potted plant and a stylish ladder shelf, adds a touch of modern elegance. The wooden floor adds warmth and complements the rustic feel of the brick wall, creating a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. One improvement I would consider is adding some ambient lighting around the bathtub area to create a more inviting and relaxing ambiance. Overall, this design masterfully combines rustic charm with modern luxury, making it a truly breathtaking bathroom. This bathroom design exemplifies modern simplicity and elegance. The use of large, matte gray tiles creates a sleek and cohesive look, providing a serene backdrop for the entire space. I love how the frameless glass shower partition maintains an open and airy feel, allowing the eye to travel uninterrupted through the room. The recessed niches in the shower are a practical and stylish feature, providing ample storage for toiletries and keeping the area clutter-free. The rainfall shower head, paired with a handheld shower, offers both luxury and versatility, ensuring a relaxing and customizable shower experience. The linear drain is a thoughtful touch, blending seamlessly with the floor tiles for a clean and minimalist look. One of my favorite elements is the wooden stool and small bench, which introduce natural warmth and texture, contrasting beautifully with the cool gray tiles. The orchid on the shelf adds a touch of greenery, enhancing the overall tranquil ambiance. If I were to suggest an improvement, it would be to incorporate some ambient lighting, perhaps around the niches or under the vanity, to create a softer, more inviting atmosphere. Overall, this design is a perfect balance of functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it an ideal modern bathroom. This bathroom design is a delightful blend of modern style and playful charm. The standout feature for me is the use of geometric patterns, especially the pink floor tiles, which add a vibrant and cheerful touch to the space. The herringbone pattern of the white wall tiles creates a sophisticated and dynamic backdrop, complementing the overall aesthetic beautifully. The built-in wooden shelves are a practical and stylish addition, providing ample storage while adding warmth and a natural element to the room. The gold fixtures, such as the towel bar and shower fittings, introduce a touch of elegance and luxury, harmonizing perfectly with the pink and white color scheme. I love the thoughtful inclusion of a niche within the shower area, which offers convenient storage for toiletries while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. The large window brings in plenty of natural light, making the space feel bright and airy. One improvement I might suggest is adding a small plant or two to further enhance the natural and fresh ambiance. Overall, this design is a perfect example of how to create a fun, stylish, and functional bathroom that feels both inviting and uplifting. This bathroom design is a perfect blend of elegance and natural elements, creating a serene and inviting space. The freestanding bathtub is the highlight for me, with its smooth, organic shape offering a luxurious soaking experience. The large window brings in abundant natural light, making the room feel bright and airy. The walk-in shower features a stunning pebble mosaic accent wall that adds texture and a natural touch, seamlessly integrating with the clean white tiles. The built-in niche is a practical addition, keeping shower essentials organized and within easy reach. I love the frameless glass shower enclosure, which maintains the open feel of the bathroom and allows the beautiful mosaic to be a focal point. The minimalist fixtures, including the rainfall shower head and handheld shower, provide a sleek and modern look, while the small wooden stool adds warmth and functionality. The pendant light above the bathtub is a stylish touch, enhancing the overall aesthetic and creating a relaxing ambiance. One improvement I might suggest is adding a touch of greenery, perhaps a small plant, to further enhance the natural spa-like feel. Overall, this design is a beautiful example of combining elegance, functionality, and natural elements to create a tranquil bathroom retreat. This bathroom design is a fantastic showcase of modern industrial style with a touch of elegance. The black framed glass enclosure immediately catches my eye, adding a striking contrast to the classic white subway tiles. I love how the black fixtures, including the rainfall shower head and handheld shower, enhance the bold, clean lines of the design. The built-in shower bench is a thoughtful and practical feature, providing a comfortable spot for relaxation and making the shower accessible for all users. The floating shelves add both functionality and style, keeping toiletries organized while allowing space for decorative touches like the trailing plant, which introduces a hint of nature and softens the overall look. The use of white grout with the white tiles creates a seamless and bright backdrop, making the space feel larger and more open. The black accents provide a modern, sophisticated edge that is both timeless and on-trend. One improvement I might suggest is incorporating a touch of warmth through accessories like a wooden stool or natural fiber mat to balance the monochromatic palette. Overall, this design is a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it an ideal choice for a contemporary bathroom. Thank you for joining me on this journey through breathtaking walk-in shower ideas. I hope these designs inspire you to create your own spa-like retreat at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. See you next time.